Hi.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit. Walk on.
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
Naked. Даже попробуй домашнее. Yo, брат, naked.
Wow, crazy. You're crazy.
What's that so hard? Well, why is it?
Why are you such a little bitch?
This man's spam, correct? No.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Stop. Stop being.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't. Nom 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 nom.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
The whole time until I found out.
No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Hey.
Get off the table now.
You are actually giving treats to Belle. What?
Pero dejen abrir The Walking Dead. Ay, Dios mío. Stop. Stop. Oh my goodness. That's bad. Don't do that.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
One kitty.
You got another week.
Demise.
Dooba 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 doo. Dooba doo doo doo. Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it.
Oh.
Thor. What?
Hey, what are you doing? What? What are you doing? Oh. Oh. Oh.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna.
The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
Only love can hurt like this.
Oh my god!
Oh. To you too.
Yeah.
Gary!
Oh.
No, you jumped over these.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Oh my god!
Oh my.
If that's my cat.
Who the fuck is this? Oh no.
Comet, I love you.
Tired her.
Uga.
Hello, boy.
My life.